Here's the app called Fanatics, shop NFL, NBA, and MLB. So basically a marketplace for all of the sports. And NFL, NBA are in full swing, and it's time to score the latest sports apparel from your favorite teams with free shipping and returns only in the Fanatics app. Whether you're hunting for Knicks jersey, Cowboys jersey, or the latest baseball gear, we've got every fan covered. Free shipping and returns, exclusive drops and collabs, up to 5% fan cash back, over 1.5 million products. Get the best deals on the tickets, follow teams and players, collectibles. So yeah, you can just get it. Follow your favorite teams across every league: NFL, NBA, MLB, NHL, and more. Tickets. So that's kind of the idea. Free shipments plus returns, unlock exclusive product drops, get the best deals on tickets, earn the rewards. So that's kind of the app which you can just use in sports. And then just you can do like double click to install it. And then yeah, you can just open it up. So get rewarded your fandom. And then this is just what you have. So this is, you see latest news, latest scores. There is shop, you can shop all of the, there is also like a discount code up to 50% off. Like you can see some popular items like Lamine Yamal shirt, all this swag. Messi shirt, Inter Miami shirt, Georgia Bulldogs. So this is what you can get, just some popular items. And again, they have a nice code right now, Tinsel. Maybe there will be more promo codes. So this is the thing about the app, that you can literally get promo codes, and then you can also get this enter email address. And then you just need to create your account to have these referral codes. So yeah, that's the idea. So definitely check out this app. So as you can see, pretty good promo codes and pretty good referral codes. So definitely give it a try. One of the best apps in USA to shop for some swag for your favorite sports.